just while I'm doing this floor, we'll zap out these crosses before it's too late. What I showed you when I was doing the wall in the bathroom, you take them out as soon as you can. It's been half an hour or so since I laid this wall, but it's easier and better to take them out now, and this is how you get them out, just with a sponge. Otherwise, if you wait till the next day, you'll be pulling them out with pliers because they'll be breaking off because they're glued in. So it's better to get them out now when you're able to. Then it's just a simple grouter up tomorrow. And if you use a sponge, you're not killing your hand and taking skin off. Just while I'm leaning over my tiles that I'm laying on the floor. There you are, that's done. Leave them there, sweep them up. Okay, we're good to go. Put my pen back in the holster. This is the line I'm following for my pattern. Try and get your glue as even as you can, everyone. Like, don't leave too much here and there. And then just follow your line. Keep your pattern, keep an eye on that pattern. These have got to go a little bit closer together because they're just slightly bigger than the body tile. Nice. And that's it, people. Keeping the flow of that pattern. Keep an eye on that line. They are a, you know, I told you a week and a half ago when I was laying the bathroom, they're a shitty tile. I laid these over 20 years ago and they're still the same. They're still sizey. The plasterer is here doing his thing. His name's Harry. Nice young fella. Pressing it down into your glue. I need some cuts, so let's do some cuts. Sounds like he's sanding. Okay, cut them all. Cut them all the same. Your cuts. I could do my skirting at the same time, but I don't have to because I can easily just walk on it tomorrow and bang the skirting on. Here I can't do much until they put the vanity in, so the owner might be doing his own skirting. So I hope he watches my videos so he can DIY it. It's too hard for everyone to use crosses with these tiles because they're sizey. It's not a good idea. You get into too much trouble. So all the time you're just humouring your tile to make the grout line look right. Then you're laughing. We'll see you soon. There's heaps to learn, people. This is just the beginning. Give us a thumbs up, people. Subscribe to my channel. There's heaps to learn. See ya.